Some days you have to realize that you get what you pay for, and trying new things are not always a good thing. Yeah. This is why ordering stuff off the internet is a risky business, okay? I blame myself. I blame Beyonce's internet. I blame everybody for this catastrophe. Okay, so boom. I wanted to order some hair off the internet. Now, here is what I thought I was going to get. I'm going to do a side by side. Here's what I ordered, okay? This is what I ordered. So, I don't know why I did this. I don't know why. I still haven't gotten an email back. But here's the gist of it. I'm going to show you what I ordered. Okay? I went to koalawigs.com. Now, my first clue should have been, why would you go to a wig company named after a bear in a tree? Because maybe that's what you're going to end up looking like. But I digress. Yo, I ordered from this company. Okay. So I saw this advertisement on Facebook, right? It's my fault. I'm like, oh, this might be I might hit a lick. This might be the Shein.com of wigs. I don't know. Shein is a nice, online store that I order my clothes from. It's cheap, it's reasonable. And I hit a lick on a couple of outfits. However, Koala Wigs, this is not that. Y'all tried me. I'm going to pull up what I ordered, and I'm going to put on what the heck y'all sent me. Okay, shut up, okay? I know I look a mess up under that wig. I got hang time and my hair is actually quite long. It's just braided back. Yes, I look like Queen Latifah from Set It Off. But this is the short wig, okay, that I was supposed to get. It's not the bob for me. I did not order this, okay? I didn't. Look at this. Look at this. Y'all, what is this? What is this? What is this? Y'all think I'm playing. Okay. Okay, bet. What? What is this? What is this? This is not what I ordered. Now, yes, I could make it work. But let me move this. What is this? Do y'all see this? How am I supposed to blend this? I look special. Why did y'all do this to me? Why? Why? I look like a Halloween. I look like this. I look like Halloween. Scary as hell. What is this? Okay, boom. So that one didn't work. So I'm like, okay, well, I know the second. They send me, y'all remember the orange one that I ordered because I wanted to be jazzy, okay? I wanted to do something different. This is what they sent me. What type of orange is this, y'all? What type of orange is this? I have never seen an orange look like black in my life, okay? Never. So, we gonna just, whatever. See what it's giving, okay? What is this? Like, do you see, like, the inconsistency in the hair? Like, it's shiny as all get out. Now, I can appreciate the length. If y'all was going to send me the wrong color, y'all could have sent me a wig that I can work with. I don't know what to do for this. I can't even lie about the part because look at how y'all parted. Look at this. What did I do to y'all but give y'all almost $60 or a little over $60? This is why people don't like trying new things. I understand. People don't like trying new things because they get got, okay? These mofos hit a lick. I sent an email immediately, took pictures and everything. You think I heard from them? No. Now I'm going to have to destroy their cat. I'm going to have to brick by brick, okay, megabyte by MFing megabyte, destroy this company. This don't look, okay, so if you don't look here, it ain't too bad. But when I look like Kim Possible. Like, what is this? This is not what I ordered. Not only is it not what I ordered, this is not the type of, this is not a lace front. I am so aggressively angry. I am so angry. Quarantine bunnies, do not buy from this company. I'm going to tag it. At this point, I'm so mad. Like, I'm putting this hair back in the packages, and y'all gonna get this hair, and I want my money back. Like, quarantine bunnies, do not buy from this company. It is a setup. It is a gimmick. I don't know what it is. I've been hoodwinked, okay? I've been violated. This is disrespect. This is prejudice. Whatever hashtag this is that. So I'm going to have to come up with a way to make these acceptable. But honestly, it ain't. I'll talk to y'all soon, quarantine bunnies. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.